Hello and welcome to the lecture on links. Let's understand how to create links inside your web page. Links is also called as hyperlink. Links are nothing but you leave a reference of another page onto your web page. So when someone clicks that link, they go to that specific page. Okay, so let's create a link folder. Okay, so we'll start with a startup file, and you can find this startup file in the material folder. So this is your startup file. Let's open that startup file and first review that what's inside it. Then we'll add some new pages and links inside it. Okay, so let's open this file. Okay, so the page looks like this. Okay, there is no hyperlink in this. There's just the underline here. We'll add some hyperlinks in this, and then we'll try to see how to navigate from one file to another file. Okay, so what we will do, we will remove the start here from the file name, and then we'll create two more files. We'll call it about.html and contact.html. Okay, so first let's go to home.html and add links to about and contact. Okay, so let's look at the anchor tag and let's understand how to write the links inside your pages. So let's open your home page. A is a tag which is used to create hyperlink. It is also called as anchor tag, and it's basically used to link other pages and URLs. You can also use anchor tag as a reference on the same page. You can create references in the same page. You can jump onto that pages. A tag also has attributes. So when we look into attributes of a tag, obviously the anchor tag need to tell you the location, right? When you put a link, you need to say where the link will go. That is basically the attribute of the anchor tag. Okay, so the first anchor tag that we'll add is the links to the pages. So you see the horizontal lines, two horizontal lines, we're going to add in between that. We're going to add the UL here, that is the unordered list, and we're going to add 3 items here, and inside the each of item we're going to add the links. Okay, first is the about, then is the contact. Okay, but you don't have one hyperlink here. You don't have a link here. When you see this page, okay, you will have 3 items, but it's not clickable. You cannot click this to go to that page. Okay, we'll add the hyperlink so that the link will come when you click about, you go to about page. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So for that you have to add a tag called a, that is the anchor tag, and you have to mention where is the location. So the href is basically pointing out to the location of that file. Okay, and the closing tag should be after the text. So whatever inside this about becomes a hyperlink. Okay, so let's quickly review that first. Right, so let's review our page. We close this pages. We can open the live preview now. Okay, and you can find that about and contact becomes link now. However, it's not pointing to any resource or any page because you haven't told what page it is. You can say about.html, right, and then you can say contact.html. so when you click about, it goes to about page. When you click contact, it goes to the contact page. Okay, but we haven't done anything on that page, so we'll even add some links back to the home page. Okay, if you go all the way down, you want to add a link to phptraining.com. and how can you add phptraining.com link? So whenever someone clicks this, the new window should open and it should open this site. Okay, for that you will add a href tag, and you will mention with the protocol phptraining.com. you close the double quotes, and then you have a property called target, which you will mention _blank. Okay, and then you close the anchor tag after the text. Remember, this anchor tag, you have to put the text inside the anchor tag so that this text become the link. Okay, and if you look at the page, just refresh this and this will become a link, right? And when someone clicks this, a new window open and phptraining.com will open now. Alright, so this is how you can add a link to your page, and then when someone clicks it, you say underscore blank, so that the target is not this page, the target is a new blank page. That's what you're trying to tell via the anchor tag. Open up a new page and open this link in that new page. That's what the target underscore blank means. And also, you see you are scrolling top and bottom, right? You want to add a link somewhere on the bottom to say click to go on the top, right? Let's add that link. I want to add a link and I want to say top, so I'll say back to top. Okay, so the link is available. So when someone clicks this, it should go on to the top, and you have mentioned the anchor as #top. Okay, so let's define that anchor as well. So how do you define an anchor within the same page? This is basically a reference you are putting inside your page, so that when someone want to go middle of the page, bottom of the page, from bottom they want to go top of the page, you can handle it via these anchors. Okay, and then you don't put any text inside it because that will be visible. You don't want any anchor to be visible, it want to be invisible, so you don't put any text inside it. Now you have this anchor name defined somewhere on the top, right? It's invisible because you haven't put any text. When someone clicks this, let's refresh this page, click this, you go on to the top, because you are going from this link. You are saying I want to go to that anchor. That anchor is defined somewhere here before the welcome, and then when someone click on this top link, it will go and find the anchor, say top, and it will go to that page level. This like moving inside your page sections. Okay, just click on it and you will go on top. So let's close off the about and contact page. You just have to copy these links, go to about page. Okay, in the about page you don't want to have a link for an about, to just to mention that when you are in the about page you want to have link for home and contact, so you know you are in the about page, right? Similarly, when you are in the contact page, you want to do the same thing. Right, you want to remove the link for contact and you want to put for about, and you want to change the file name as well. So our page has been done. So I'm in the home page. I know there's no link, so this is home page. Now if I go to about, this is about page, you can see about.html, and you can see the link is for home and contact, so you can navigate now to home and about contact. You click on contact, you're in the contact page, right? Now you can navigate back to about, to home, home to about, and then you can play around with it, right? So this is how you basically add links to your pages, and links is you can add to any resources that you have on the server or anything on the web. As an example, we have seen in home.html, one way to link other resources on the internet is via the href tag. You mention the URL of it, and then when someone clicks it, you can open up a new window and go to that location. Okay, if you want to refer anything inside the same page, you can use anchor tags by name property, give a name to it, then you say href, go to that name, and you have to use the hash here. So we have used href to access the pages. Alright, so that's all about anchor tag. And anchor tag, remember, anchor tag has attributes, and anchor tag is the most important tag because it connects all the resources on the internet. If you want to give links to your Facebook page, Twitter page, you want to give links to your other pages on the website, you will be using anchor tag a lot. Okay, so that's all about how to use anchor tag, and I'll see you in the next one.